Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can fix the charging issues with the JBL Go Essential and how you can solve when it's not charging. So the first thing that I recommend to do is first clean this if it's going to be a little bit dirty. So this is the first thing. And the second thing that you can try to do, and maybe it's going to work out, just turn it off, turn it on, maybe it's going to work out then. But then if you have at least some kind of battery, so we want to turn it on, and then you want to press and hold the Bluetooth button with the plus button. So let's do it together, and I'm going to press and hold the power button, the plus button, and the Bluetooth button at the same time, and it will turn off. And that way you are going to reset the JBL and then try to charge it again. So right now it got turned off, and then turn it on and try to charge it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you're gonna have a great day, and goodbye.